everyone, and welcome back to FOMO, the show that makes sure you're never the last one in the group chat to know what's popping. Music drops, movie buzz heat ups, and the internet does what it does best, over deliver. So let's get straight into the three biggest entertainment stories lighting up timelines right now, and then we deep dive into what's really hot. Fresh off wrapping his Las Vegas residency, the former One Direction star has flipped the switch back to the studio. Zayn has announced his fifth studio album, Kona Cole, and yes, the countdown is on. Fans who caught his Vegas shows already got a taste of what's coming. Unreleased track, new sounds, and a very clear message. This era is personal. The lead single, Die For Me, drops this Friday, and if the previous buzz is anything to go by, Zayn isn't chasing trend, he's building a mood again. After near 6 years away from Indian cinema, she's stepping onto an Indian film set once again, this time for S.S. Rajamouli, much anticipated project Varanasi, opposite Mahesh Babu. Priyanka recently opened up about moving between Hollywood and Indian film industry and how the shift has shaped her as an actor. But what really sets tongue wagging was what she didn't say. When asked about returning to fan-favorite franchises like Dawn or Krish, Priyanka played it cool and Mahesh Babu couldn't resist stirring the pot, hinting that something might already be brewing. Classic tease, internet officially on alert. The YouTube megastar surprised his fiancée with what might be the most extra romantic gesture of all time, renting out Disneyland after hours. No queues, private rides, a castle-side dinner, even a custom parade, all reportedly costing around 4.5 crore. For most people, this would be once-in-a-lifetime fantasy. For Mr. Beast, it's content, love language, grand gestures, budget, unlimited. Blackpink Jisoo is entering his rom-com futuristic era with Boyfriend on Demand, and the teaser has officially dropped, along with the release date. The Netflix series follows Sue Mi Rae, a woman burned out by work, dating fatigue, and emotional overload, relatable already, who signs up for a simulation dating app offering monthly boyfriends, not one ideal man, multiple versions, different routes, different fantasies, from college sweethearts to brooding bad boy, celebrity romance to historical drama energy. The app lets her try love like a subscription service. Swipe, select, experience, repeat. The teaser leans into every K-drama fantasy fans love, while asking a very modern question. When real life gets exhausting, can curated love feel real? The cast lineup only adds fuel. Seo Kang-joon, Lee Son-hyuk, Kim Jong-dae, Lee Jae-wook, basically a walking algorithm of internet-approved boyfriend. And then there's the twist. Her real-life rival, played by Seo In-guk, who's been there all along, because of course the one person she didn't subscribe to might be the one who matters most. The poster sums it up perfectly. Busy, emotionally drained, drawn with blind dates, scared of heartbreak. If that checklist feels personal, congratulations. This show was made for you. That's all the time we have got for today. But trust me, the FOMO never stops. Follow F360 Lifestyle for more such buzz news.